walked through the city at 8 p.m. Through the crowd that didn't part. No one looked up, no one said hey, like I was a ghost with a beating heart. The street lights went right through me, no shadow on the ground. I opened my mouth to say something, but no one was around to make a sound. Is it them or is it me? Did I fade out quietly? I'm still here, I swear I am. Why does no one give a damn? Invisible, invisible, I'm not someone nobody knows. Standing still in a crowded room, but the air just passes through. Invisible, invisible, not even a trace of blue. I'm not sad, I'm not mad, I just don't know what to do with being invisible. I posted a photo of the sunset, 3 likes, then it died. I texted, hey, you up, read receipt.